Trending na ngayon sa social media ang vlogger na sina Kong at V.
Puro Bego Natin Simulan, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates.
The couple announced their engagement in November, 4 months after they welcomed their first child, Kidlat, in July. Here are some clips before their wedding.
Doon talaga ako na-inlove kasi bago tayo nagkita,
Chat
lang tayo, magka-chat lang tayo. Yun talagang pinaka nagustuhan ko na balang araw, maituturo mo sa anak natin. Kaya alam mo, wala akong masyadong kinakabahala sa future kasi alam kong ikaw yung partner ko.
A constant gray in the cloud.
No more, pakasalan mo na ako love. Congratulations Kong TV and V Cortez Velasquez.
I hear your name. I think of